using gel nail polish really does give you a more professional look, especially if you have like brittle nails, especially if your nails are rigid, because it seals up those ridge areas, giving you a very polished professional look. So I'm really hoping that this gel polish will do that for my nails. Dolls, it's your girl American Gyaru, and if you are new, welcome to the doll family. Please stay, hang out with us, and smash that subscribe. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a review on Born Pretty, the brand that does gel nail polishes. So they had sent me 5 different nail polishes, and it looks like that. So as you can see, my nails, they are short, and for good reason, because I am a working girl and I am on my computer a lot. So it's just not feasible to have these long press-on nails, which I normally would do. And these would be a wonderful alternative. I have done a vegan nail polish, gel nail polishes in the past. These are not vegan, but they are, you know, really affordable. They have a huge assortment of different types of like nail polishes and collections and glitters and, you know, top coats, you name it. So definitely check them out. I will leave the link in the description box below. Wow, so look at that. Ooh, but this is definitely really pretty. This is the Omnipotent Cat Magnetic Gel. It's like a silver glitter. So I want to see actually if this is something that I could put over my nail polish as a top coat. So we'll see. We'll find out. So this is really pretty. This is Born Pretty Gel Color. So this is just a straight gel color. It's like a purple pink. So when it comes to like pink colors, I definitely am attracted to this color pink, because it does match my skin type. So that's that. It's like not a pastel pink, it's like a purple with a blue undertone pink, so it's really pretty. And this one is the Thermal Nail Gel, and it looks like that. Ooh, girl, sister. Oh yes, that's why. This is really gorgeous. Very gorgeous. Very gorgeous color. This is the Reflective Glitter Flash Gel. Woo! She is seriously sparkling. Ooh, I'm so torn because this is so New Year's, and dolls, I have not even done my vision board for 2022. I really haven't had the time and the clear mental space to do it, and I don't want to rush it because I want it to be thoughtful. And also, obviously, when I do vision boards, I want it to come from a relaxed emotional space. And I've been pretty busy with this year, just starting and just going. So I definitely am still going to be doing a vision board video. I mean, I think it's going to be a video, but if not, I'm definitely going to be doing a vision board. So that's, yeah, probably why I got those New Year colors. I was feeling New Year's. And then this is the last one, and this one here, it's a Born Pretty gel color, and you can see, wow, look at that. Ooh, I'm very torn, but because it's Valentine season, I'm probably gonna go with this glitter pink, and I'm gonna go with this. And yeah, we'll see. I may use this color as well. We'll see. I think it will go really pretty with that pink color. Quickly, I had to change because I'm gonna be going to lunch after this with my one and only. If you don't know, I have a wonderful, lovely son. So it's our fun thing to do when we're together. But so I'm gonna bring it down here. I just put this here to protect the table. It's got a filer. It doesn't really matter. This is a used one, obviously. I just got these like picks or whatever because I want to probably push my cuticles back. I'll put some lotion on my fingers. It's been really dry. And then also, this is like a gel light, super affordable. It was from AliExpress. I think it was only like $20 or $30, and it came with like a whole pack of stuffs. But yeah, you'll need one of these lights so that you can cure your gel polishes. Yep. Now this is my little nail collection here. You just never know when you feel inspiration. Just going to go ahead and just file my nails a little bit. my before, and as you can see, I have pretty brittle nails, very thin nails, some indentation, and that's why I love gel nail polishes. Well, for one, it's because I can never ever keep my nails all like dented free when I do regular nail polish, because it takes time for it to dry, and I always seem to mess it up or like ram my hand. I'm kind of clumsy. I'm a little bit, you know, really quick. So I don't know if that's a good thing. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's just kind of like I make messes, and especially shows up on my nails. I definitely want to do my toes as well. I don't know if I'll have time for that. Maybe we will. Let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to bring the camera down. I'm going to start with this color. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to go and cure it because the wall plug doesn't actually reach. So these are the nails. I'll be right back. But this is more like my favorite like pink shade. It's like always like a blush pink, but it's got like bluish purple undertone. So yeah, I actually would prefer to leave it just like this. But I know you dolls are like, what? Come on, show us the other collections. So let's just go with this Born Pretty gel color. I'd rather do the silver. Okay, I'll do the silver on my middle finger. Oh, this is gorgeous. Yeah, so, oh gosh, can you see? It's almost like, you know what, I'm gonna just show a picture because this my camera is not doing it any justice, but I thought it would overshadow the pink too much, but it doesn't. This is the Omnipotent Cat Magnetic Gel. They have all different colors. Oh my gosh, dolls. You dolls are really gonna love this because this is super, super affordable. So there's no excuse as to why we can't have some self-love, self-care. They really make me happy. I think just doing your nails in general make you happy, but when you can do it at a budget and when it can be so creative with your nails. So it does get me out of my comfort zone, which is to me a great thing. Yeah. Because girls just want to have some fun up in here, you know. Romancing myself, being my own Valentine, of course. Okay, so let's do this glitter one. This is really fun. This is fun, right? I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my ring fingers. There we go. So it's got like, definitely an ombre. So cute. I am amused. So I'm gonna cure these nails and then I'm gonna do my toes really quick off camera. Everybody wants to see my Shrek toes. And then yeah, we'll do our final thoughts and review, dolls. Ta-da! So this is a quick fix if you have to go, you know, for a Valentine's date. You know, this is really quick, and you know that you can start doing your makeup if you do your nails first because it's gel polish. Once it cures, then you will not have an issue getting like hairs, dust, makeup, and all that dents in them. So yeah, I definitely totally recommend. So fun, and it's gonna make you feel really, really good, regardless if you're going on a date or not. Like, you're gonna feel good all season long. So yeah, I will show you those my toes really quickly, but before I go ahead and show you, I definitely want to say thank you so much, Born Pretty, for collaborating with me and sending me these beautiful gel polishes, and it definitely put a smile on my face, and I am sure it will do the same for all you other dolls. And if you're new, welcome. Don't forget to hit that notification bell because we do fun girly things on this channel and experiment, and we try out new products together, and we just have some fun. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing. I love you. Stay gorgeous, stay beautiful, stay amazing, because that's what you are, and do not let anyone else make you feel otherwise. Bye, dolls. I put some lotion on them so that they can look more moisturized. They were looking pretty dry, so happy feet, happy